CBI's update on Sushant Singh Rajput's case. Bollywood's extremely talented actor Sushant Singh Rajput left for his heavenly abode on 14th of June, leaving a void in the industry. It has been already 6 months that the actor has left us, and while Mumbai police has already declared it suicide, CBI is still investigating. It has been 4 months already that CBI is investigating Sushant Singh Rajput's case. Recently, the Home Minister of Maharashtra government, Anil Deshmukh, has made a statement. Anil Deshmukh has stated that it is high time that CBI presents their report regarding Sushant's case publicly. As soon as Anil Deshmukh made this statement, Rhea Chakrabarty's lawyer Satish Manishinde made a statement too. Satish Manishinde has asked for the same like Anil Deshmukh, and he has also added that why there is no cry for the delay of report. Satish Manishinde went on to say, when there was a delay in appointing CBI for Sushant's case, a huge protest was created. The lawyer is asking that why no one is raising the question to CBI for delaying the submission of their report. Well, soon after these statements were made public by Anil Deshmukh and Satish Manishinde, CBI official has spilled some beans. CBI has recently responded to a letter written to the PM of India Narendra Modi by Subramaniam Swamy. Responding to the letter, CBI official has stated that they are conducting the investigation in a thorough and professional manner. CBI has also added in their statement that they are using all the scientific techniques to solve Sushant Singh Rajput's case. The Central Bureau of Investigation has also examined all the concerned witnesses. The CBI has also stated that they will soon submit their report regarding Sushant Singh Rajput's case. What are your thoughts about CBI delaying their report? Let us know in the comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.